Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel FOODBITS, and today I'm going to show you how I unbox this grill called George Foreman grill, and this one is in a small size and I've got this at Aldi's for £12. It's actually on sale last week, and if you want to see how I make this lovely BLT sandwich, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Yeah, and see you in a bit. Right, so there you go guys, so I'm going to open the box. So, take it out. So inside it has a drip tray, I suppose, where the oil drips in, and that makes the food very healthy because it catches all the oil in on this. So if I open this, take that one out, and there you have it guys. It's very portable, but you can get a bigger one of this, but I just thought like I'll buy like a small one first and see how it goes. So inside, as you can see guys, also some non-stick plate, so it's very easy to clean. And it's a plug. So, and this is the handle. You can easily open the lid up, and it's fixed to the George Foreman grill. And here I don't see any switch on button, so I guess you can only switch it on by plugging it onto the main switch. It's got that, yeah, there you go. So that's how you do it. So you can take it out to wash it, and you can put it back in. Yeah, that's it, like just like that. So every time you cook, the oil drips into the tray and the tray catches it, and it's very healthy. And so this is light indicators when it tells you that the grill is hot or when it's heating. So there's red and green. It's very compact, and even store it like that, like store it like vertically like this as well, because it doesn't open up, so you can just tuck it in somewhere. So that's good. Okay, so that's that. I guess the next thing is to try it and cook something on it and see how it goes. It's a George Foreman manual that comes with it, so it tells you the basics and gives you recipes as well inside you can follow, which is good. So I've plugged the George Foreman grill. It's now heating up. I'm not sure actually if you're supposed to be opening it or shutting it, but when I plug it, there's two lights on, the red one and the green one, but after about 5 minutes the green one shuts off. So So here I'm just going to show you all the oil, and I know it's not a very nice sight, but cleaning it is so easy. I just use a sponge and then dry it. And for this one as well, just I use dump cloth kitchen roll, and yeah, it's so easy to clean, guys. Not very stressful to clean because it's a non-stick pan, and no problem. So there you go, guys. That's where I'm ending this review, and so far so good. I don't have to feel guilty about eating bacons anymore or sausages because I don't eat most of the bad stuff with it. So yeah. I hope you like this review, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and tell me what you think by commenting on the comment section below. And lastly, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!